Some important updates to talk about, as well as claiming, as well as 90% to go and earn. So make sure to stick until the end and make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And we jump straight into the laptop. The first thing first is the Bytenova TGE has been announced for January 8th. So today at 10 a.m. there is, or there was, depending on where you're looking at this video, the Byte token is going live. Total supply is 1 billion. Airdrop is only 5%. It will be vested with a 2-month vesting period. So make sure to go and check them out. Make sure to go and see if they are eligible, if you are eligible, if you're going to be eligible, and what are you gonna do with it. As I said, 5%, it's a bit low. It's already listed as we see here, so the link will be down below, and it is looking about a 9 cents. So I will leave you the link. This is the Bytenova AI page, and link will be down below to go and check it. Next up, I want to emphasize a great thing that we talk about in this channel is Gravity, the perpetual DEX. There is no KYC, so make sure to go and sign. And if you already sign up, make sure to go and trade. Why? Because they have reached a double milestone. They got a fully, according to DeFi Llama, the TVL has soared to 70 million, as well as we see here, it's at $1.6 billion a day, which is one of the highest ever recorded. And look at this. This is going crazy. The open interests are closing in on 400 million open interest, which is extremely a lot. There's only gonna be a 1 billion total circulation supply. I really think that we can see this token at $1 per launch. And why? Well, also because Gravity is really pushing over on South Korea. It's going to be listed on Upbit, as we have already seen on yesterday's video. They have made the post. They have institution in South Korea, sorry. And it is absolutely incredible what they're doing. The team is dogs. This is the team. So it's really going to go really good. Here we got the Upbit Global that have announced that Gravity is going to be listed on their exchange. So it's going to be absolutely amazing. The link will be down below. I have open position here. I've got longs on Link and Hype. I'm going to go and put even more. And I really suggest you to go and do it. This is the less talked about but most prolific airdrop that you can have in terms of the top perpetual DEX. Nobody talks about Gravity, and yet because they are focusing on the Korean market, they got extremely high value, perpetual volume, they got open interest, they got TVL extended, as we see here. A lot of people talk about variational, a lot of people talk about, and guess what? Gravity is quietly behind them, and yes, they're doing this without all of the hype of the KOLs over on Twitter, which is absolutely amazing, and this is why I really suggest you to go and push. Really go and join Gravity. Make sure to go and trade. Here we got the Gravity airdrop. It's already happening. These are my points, as we see right here. It is really good. And of course, if you join me over on my team, you get a 30% point boost. So make sure to come and join my team. Make sure to come and trade on a daily. Super important. I am an ambassador for them, but it is really obvious why, because I write the problem talking about this for years. They have no KYC, and it is one of the best, and we will see it once they go live. Q1 will be their token generation event. This is what they want, and it's really good. So come and trade. Really important. We see the stats on perpetual on the Llama, and you can go and check them for yourself as well. Next up, we got the Ethereum gas airdrop is coming soon. 86% loaded, so you're still in time to go and do it. As we see here, they raised $12 million plus $100 million in commitment. It is super easy to go and join through the link down below. All you gotta do is sign up and connect your Twitter absolutely for free. Click on gas report right here and create this gas report, which basically it is simply a card, like a profit and loss card of an exchange, that simply tells you how much gas you have used throughout your MetaMask career or your MetaMask Edge wallet, and that it is. Then simply go and look about, do a few tasks over here, as we see. Share, quote, join, all for free. Make sure to go and do and collect these beans, and that is it. Super easy. The airdrop is coming soon, as well as I do have a giveaway for all of you that come here until the end, make it to the end of the video. $8,000 in USDT giveaway with XT, which it is a new partner of the channel, a non-KYC exchange. The link will be down below, so make sure to go and complete a registration. You get money. Complete KYC only if you want. You get up to $5 to $200. First deposit of only $20, you're able to go and push between $10 and $200 worth. First spot, $10 and $200. But as well, they have this campaign right here. Now, this one is the X Legend Future Competition. And yes, if you're a trader, you like centralized exchange with no KYC, make sure to go and do this one. There is money to be won, as we see here. Trading volume, current price pool of $21,600. So make sure to go and join it, and make sure to go and participate on the XT. And thank you for them to support the channel. The link will be down below. Make sure to go and trade them. But of course, it's up to you whether you like a centralized exchange that give you bonuses, or whether or not you like a decentralized exchange which is gonna have an airdrop possibility. It's up to you which one you're gonna go and choose. One thing I would recommend you is go and sign up to XT, get the deposit $100, get the free money, take the first deposit you've done out, and then go and trade on Gravity. That could be an option. Really recommend you to join, and make sure to turn on the notification bell on, because I will see you tomorrow. Ciao guys.